Hello everyone, welcome to Best Tech Pick Channel. Today we're diving into the world of robot vacuums to discover the top 3 models of 2025. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, Eufy Robovac 30C, and Neato Botvac N7 connected. If you're looking for a powerful smart vacuum to make cleaning a breeze, you've come to the right place. Let's break down these amazing devices and help you decide which one is the best fit for your home. First up, we have the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, a premium model packed with advanced features. This Wi-Fi connected vacuum uses iAdapt 3.0 navigation and VSLAM technology to create precise maps of your home, ensuring every corner gets spotless. Its standout feature? The Clean Base automatic dirt disposal system that empties its dustbin automatically, so you don't have to worry about it for weeks. With a runtime of up to 180 minutes and the ability to recharge itself, the Roomba S9 Plus is the definition of hands-free cleaning. Whether you're dealing with carpets or hardwood floors, this vacuum adapts seamlessly to different surfaces, making it a top-tier choice for tech-savvy homeowners. Eufy Robovac 30C next. Let's talk about the Eufy Robovac 30C, a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. At just 2.85 inches tall, this slim vacuum easily slides under furniture, tackling dirt and dust in hard-to-reach places. It comes with 1,500 pascals of suction power and Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction when needed for an extra deep clean. You'll love the Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it effortless to control via voice commands. With up to 100 minutes of quiet cleaning time, boundary strips to keep it where you want it, and a worry-free 12-month warranty, the Robovac 30C is a reliable and affordable choice for any home. Neato Botvac N7. Finally, let's explore the Neato Botvac N7 Connected, a smart vacuum built for precision and customization. Its unique D-shaped design allows it to clean corners and edges more effectively than traditional round vacuums. Equipped with advanced laser mapping, the Botvac N7 creates a detailed map of your home, enabling you to select specific rooms or areas for cleaning through its app. It also features no-go zones, a barrier sensor to avoid obstacles, and a fall prevention sensor to protect it from stairs. With 50 minutes of runtime and a self-recharging capability, this vacuum is perfect for anyone who values detailed, programmable cleaning. Now it's time to pick today's winner. While all 3 vacuums are exceptional, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus takes the crown. With its advanced navigation, self-emptying feature, and long runtime, it's a perfect choice for busy households. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. For more reviews and comparison videos, subscribe to Best Tech Pick and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.